In this course, we cover Introduction to Team Alignment, elements of promoting team alignment, how do you create team alignment, fostering team alignment in the organization, how to evaluate your team alignment, importance of team alignment, tools for team alignment, barriers to team alignment, and summary. Team alignment involves effectively communicating vision and expectations and keeping everyone on the same page. When a team is aligned, that team is more likely to achieve its goals. Proper team alignment, starting in front-end planning, is proven to positively affect behaviors and help you lead a team focused on a common project objective. The Construction Industry Institute (CII) defines alignments as the condition when project participants are working within acceptable tolerances to develop and meet a defined set of project objectives. People not only need to work together but also must ensure that the team has the same vision of what the objective is and how you, as a team, are going to successfully achieve that objective. The success of any group effort will always come down to team alignment in the end. Whether it is a company, a sports team, or some other form of group, the outcome will always depend on how well the individuals who make up the group function when working together. Elements of promoting team alignment. The utterly essential element for team alignment is constant communication, and this means communication not only between supervisor and team members, but also between team members themselves. However, there are three key teamwork elements that can also help to build team cohesion and alignment. Pushing each other. Team members are in the best position to recognize when their teammates could be doing more and identify their teammates' strengths they might not see in themselves. A constant effort to push each other to do more and to do better creates a real sense of collective achievement. Going above and beyond your team. When employees give more than what is expected towards achieving a shared goal, they help create a sense of unity that breaks down the individual viewpoint and promotes a sense of shared purpose. Trusting your team. A team will progressively become more integrated and consequently more effective as the trust between the team members builds due to positive team outcomes. How do you create team alignment? One of the first steps that team leaders need to follow is making sure that there are regular meetings. These are important because they allow team leaders to make sure that everyone is on the same page. During these team alignment meetings, remember to send out a share meeting recap for those who might not have been able to make it. During these meetings, ask various team members to go around and share updates on what they have been working on and the progress they have made. This will encourage the various team members to state their names and their roles and could reveal issues within the communication that might have been lost in the world of virtual telephone. It is also an excellent way for team leaders to identify the problems that might be present in the communication chain. Fostering team alignment in the organization. Understanding the needs of the team. Every team in an organization has its special needs and requirements that increases its cohesion and collaboration abilities. If the team lacks these attributes, then it might be high time that you heed on it and try to incorporate them. Designating the right role. Teams are composed of individual members and these members need to understand their role. For your organizational teams to perform at their best, it is essential that team members are given skill-specific job roles that they fit in. Maintain good communication and transparency. Teams will only be aligned with the organizational goals and structure if they are encouraged to learn from their mistakes through regular communication and being transparent with each other. How to evaluate your team alignment. Improving the alignment of a group, however, must start with an honest evaluation of the current state and a desire to improve. The purpose of evaluation is to create this desire by highlighting the opportunity to improve the alignment of your team. Evaluating your team's alignment. Brainstorm the list of opportunities, prioritizing the list, evaluating the alignment. Importance of team alignment. Achieving an aligned team for the organization might be a task that can take patience and tremendous amount of time. To fend off such situations, it is important to understand the fact that leaders need to take initiative of placing value on the company mission. However, once you successfully incorporate it into your workplace, you will be able to taste success with a more synchronized workforce that especially heeds on the goals and objectives. when there are major or minor changes in the organization, always document it so that you can have a record of where the changes were brought. This will give you a more structured approach to deal with the changes and align the team accordingly. Tools for team alignment. When it comes to aligning team goals with organizational objectives, it is crucial to provide teams with the right tools. Remember that many teams are virtual today, which might make it hard for companies to get their teams to stick to organizational alignment models or an organizational alignment framework. One of the top ways when it comes to how to improve organizational alignment involves giving the teams the right tools with which to promote team alignment. For example, email and Slack are great tools that can be helped in certain situations. However, other tools are more useful when it comes to internal documentation, wikis, and project management. Some of these tools include Asana, Trello, and even Monday.com. Remember that it's becoming more and more common for people to work from home. The goal of these tools is to improve the ability of people to keep notes and record meetings. Therefore, empowering teams with these virtual tools can be helpful. Barriers. The idea of alignment is simple enough, but the complexity of the conflicts and barriers project teams face can make achieving alignment very difficult. Some of the most common barriers experienced during front-end planning include cooperation among specialists. Many capital projects are highly reliant on specialists, and it is a careful balancing act during front-end planning to avoid having these specialists quickly head down a narrow path that lacks coordination with other team members. Decentralized decision making. More and more project teams are in geographically dispersed locations. This calls for increased need in coordination. Without it, we end up with conflicting decisions and the classic one step forward, two steps back. Multiple stakeholder groups. Complex relationships, including joint ventures and public private partnerships, increase the likelihood of conflicting stakeholder objectives for the same project. Compressed project schedules. Our required completion dates are usually driven by external factors that are outside of the project team's control. Proper team alignment is proven to positively affect behaviors and help you lead a team focused on a common project objective. People not only need to work together, but also must ensure the team has the same vision of what the objective is and how you, as a team, are going to successfully achieve that objective. Going above and beyond for your team, pushing each other, and trusting your team are the three elements of team alignment. During team alignment meetings, remember to send out a share meeting recap for those who might not have been able to make it. Conducting regular meetings is an excellent way for team leaders to identify the problems that might be present in the communication chain. The purpose of evaluation is to create this desire by highlighting the opportunity to improve the alignment of your team. It is important to understand the fact that leaders need to take the initiative of placing the value on the company mission. Thank you. KloudLearn Incorporated is headquartered in Silicon Valley, California. Our mission is to help enterprises providing an engaging and impactful learning experience that improves business performance. We provide the industry's most modern LMS learning management system. For more information, visit us at www.cloudlearn.com or reach out to us at info@cloudlearn.com.